Hey guys, it's Ariel and my lips feel really f***ing chapped.
Hey now, hey now. Yes.
So for today's tutorial, we are going to be doing a green with envy look. Now I have had a green with envy look on my channel before, but you know, we're upgrading, we're moving, we're grooving, so I'm going to do a more updated version of green with envy. Also, just to let you guys know, if you are not yet, please subscribe to my channel so you can always know when I am posting new content. Hit that notification bell, all that good little gigarama, click, 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 post, yes. Alright, so today I'm going to try out a little bit of different lighting. So I'm going to be doing my makeup in my little Jeffree Star mirror because I've noticed I've been looking like the clit keeper when I have my little Ricky Skinny mirror on me. So I'm going to be doing my makeup in this mirror so we are even. So if you guys think that the lighting is more even in this video, please comment down below on what you think of the new lighting. Thank you! So for today's look, we're actually going to be utilizing the Morphe Pride palette. I haven't dipped into this yet, so I'm super excited to be using it today. So the first color we're going to be laying down for our crease area is this really sickening green color, Parade. And this color is like a really super pretty emerald green. Elphaba's vagina is quaking. Next up, we're going to lightly tap into this darker color, NYC, and we're going to work that right into the bottom of the crease to give it some depth. And when I'm blending out this darker black color, I'm kind of just lightly flicking it up into the greenish color. She flicked my vagina and said, "Delete it, fat." We're going to take that same brush that we used Parade with, and we're just going to use that to kind of blend and fuse the two together. Oh my god, I'm so silly. I totally forgot that I do have the Morphe Pride Collection brushes as well. Did I even unwrap? I have not even unwrapped them yet. So this is what they look like. They're really, really pretty. I love that they kind of look like painter's brushes. So you know what? Let's go ahead and use these today. It's only fitting. Ooh, these are vajazzled in there. Holy shit. Oh, these are so pretty. I have way too many. I need to do like a makeup brush cleanse. Do any of you guys do that? Like, you just are like, have way too many makeup brushes. Y'all are like, no bitch, send me some brushes. Now taking this flat brush, we're gonna tap into this color Milk, the pure white, and we're just gonna use that to highlight the brow bone. This white's not make me feeling emotions. Let me cut under my brow with some concealer first. Some Laurely concealer. Baby, that is exactly what she needed. And this is just the Jeffree Star concealer in C0. And we're done. Meow. We're just gonna go right in with this concealer actually before we set any of the white areas, and we're just gonna cut the crease. And then go back in with that flat brush, and we're just gonna use that to kind of disperse the pigment. Hello. Why yes, I am a womana. And I really like this Jeffree Star concealer because it has got a nice coverage, and with the white, it does have a nice pigment to build a base for eyeshadow, and it does dry down, so it's nice because it doesn't stay super wet, so when you put the white on top of it, it kind of just like sets itself a little bit more. So we're gonna go back in with that fluffy brush and take that color Parade again and press that on the very outer edge. Bring it about a third of the way onto the lid. It's harder to view. Stab myself in the eye, Mary. Oh, Mary, Queen of Scots.
Mom?
Well, I hope my eye doesn't stop watering the whole rest of the video. We love that. Love lamp, love God. Next, we're going to take this precision brush and tap into the color Activism and put this on the center of the lid. Ooh, this green is everything. Show-stopping, show-stopping. And then take that brush again and just buff those two together. And then repeat that on the other side. Go figure. Now we're gonna go in with that color Milk, the white. We're gonna give her a chance. I'm gonna tell you one thing. There is no white that will ever beat Sugar Pill Taco. I'm just saying. All right, now to really nicely blend this white into this green, I'm gonna tap it into this aqua-y mint color Art. And we're gonna blend out. All right, now we're really gonna deepen up the sides. We're gonna tap back into that color NYC, and we're just gonna take it and cut it on the side. And this is gonna give it much more of a deeper, smokier effect. Boom, ow. We're now gonna tap into this shiny color Liberation right here, and we're gonna put that right in the inner corner. We're now gonna take that nice little precision brush and we're gonna tap back into that color Parade and smoke out the bottom of the eye. And then we're gonna take that fluffy brush and blend it out. I will tell you one thing that you have to be careful with when working with green eyeshadows, blue eyeshadows especially, anything in that really super cool colored family, blues are worse, but definitely greens. Be careful not to get any fallout on your cheeks or to buff it in, because then you're gonna make your face start looking really gray and sickly and pale and like, yeah, it's not the gig. We're gonna tap back into that mint color Art, and we're just gonna tap that right at the very bottom and use it to kind of buff it out, blend it out. And then I'm just gonna take this big loose powder brush and kind of just buff all that out. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of e.l.f. liquid liner to give some drama to the upper lash line, as if this wasn't dramatic enough. And now we're gonna go ahead and wing it out. All right, now we've got to get rid of these crusty eyelashes. So I'm going to go in with my Lashcraft Big Lash Mascara from Sephora, and we're just going to pump up the jam. All right, because we will be wearing green hair, we're going to do some green eyebrows. So I'm going to take this angled brush that I got from the Pride collection, and we're just going to tap back into nature because we are walking the children in nature, and I'm going to put that on my brow. All right, guys, and I'm thinking I want the brows to have a little bit more dimension, so I'm going to go back into that color Parade, that emerald green, and we're going to use that towards the end of the brow to kind of ombre it out. And one more time, I'm going to tap back into that color Milk, the white, and we're just going to pop that right under there for cleanup. All right, now we wouldn't be envious if there wasn't a little bit of glitter, so we're gonna take a little bit of lash glue and tap that on the lid, and then I'm gonna go into this lit glitter in the color Hawaii, and we're gonna tap a little bit of that on the lid to give some drama. All right, now we're gonna tap into some blush and bronzer from this Anastasia palette to kind of warm up the face. Now that we have that on, we're gonna highlight our face with MAC Soft and Gentle. And the liquid lipstick we're going to be using today to line our lips is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is called Sepia. And because we are green with envy, we need to have the juiciest DSLs in all the land. So now I'm going to take the lip gloss, Sepia, same color, and we're just going to juice them up. Oh, these smell so good. Bitch, Draco Malfoy could never. All right, now we're gonna pop on some contacts and lashes. All right, we've got our contacts in, and they're in the shade Innocent White from Desio. All right, now let's actually get in drag and get on some lashes. All right, now that we have the lashes on, we're gonna go in with our final touches of Morphe setting spray. And this is their setting mist, I'm obsessed with it. Ooh. Are you guys ready to get green with envy?
Toss and turn without your love, just break me in. I'll drink you up and take you down like poison.
Alright guys, well that about concludes our green with envy tutorial. Right now I'm currently trying to stick on another nail because I keep adjusting this top on my shoulders and my nails keep popping off. And I sprayed some of this. First of all, it's sickening. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Shimmer Body Oil. It smells so good. And it looks so pretty, although it's causing my hair to like oil up and curl, but that is a-okay because it is what? Sickening. Hope you guys loved today's look. I'm super in love with it. I feel like I'm like the Joker's sexy girlfriend, the hooker. The hooker? Hooker?
I need perfume.
Oh, now I'm a woman. Good old flower bomb nectar. These nails do not want to stay on my goddamn hands today. It's okay, literally right after we finish this video, I'm literally going to take my camera downstairs and we're going to go get buffalo chickens at PJ Houlihan's. PJ Wellahan's. Houlihan's is a different restaurant.
But you know what, bitch? They both got buffalo chicken, so...
Alright guys, like I said before, if you are not already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you can see all new content tutorials with some of our favorite makeup palettes. And also, hit that notification bell so you actually know when I post the videos. Okay? And one more reminder, I am on Cameo, so if you guys would like a selfie style video from me to you, make sure you guys hit me up on Cameo and follow me on all my socials at Ariel Versace. I love you guys. More videos to come. I hope you are loving this channel, and as always, yes. Okay, that's good. Oh no. We blew the fuse from the blow dryer.
Oh, I looked horrifying in this light.